Good afternoon and welcome aboard this 2012 Sea Ray 410 Sundancer YOLO Cockpit Air. Gorgeous high gloss cockpit table on a polished chrome base. Cockpit sink, wine bucket, trash chute, and of course grill. And stainless steel refrigerator. Cockpit television. Stereo has been massively upgraded in this boat. You look at 4 sets of JL audio speakers with tweeters, as well as a large subwoofer. She rocks. Twin MarineMax hybrid touchscreens, fusion stereo, remote control spotlight. This is a joystick controlled boat. Auto tabs, electronic sync, autopilot, and skyhook position holding. Just awesome boat. I can tell you, I was out with this boat all day. It performs flawlessly. Big windshield vents. There's Velcro on the cover, so you can open them even with the cover on. Huge Cleopatra lounger to port. Come on down. Beautiful wood stairs and a wood floor in this boat. Great windows above the starboard side couch. Storage in all these cabinets. Privacy door for your forward stateroom. This is one of those cool power beds that will go up and down so you can sit up and watch TV or lay flat to sleep. That is a brand new target top that I will be having installed, but my seller's out of town. I'm waiting for him to get back so he sees it when it's white and pretty. Master stateroom has a private head, beautiful teak seat in the shower. Sea Ray towels will come with the boat. The couch will pull out to sleep one. Here's your mid cabin. I have the table folded down. It will fold up. This will convert to a bed. There's a TV back there as well. Galley, stainless steel fridge and freezer, microwave. And this 41 boasts a second head. That concludes our tour of this 410 Sea Ray Sundancer. Give Mike Ehrlich a call. Love to show it to you. It's one of my favorite boats.